Hey online family, welcome back to the channel. Let's make turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a very versatile oil. It can be used for your face and it can also be used for your body. It helps to brighten your skin. It also helps with acne, but not severe acne, just light acne. It helps to also reduce acne. So if you're feeling like you have uneven skin tone or you have dull skin, turmeric oil is going to be a very good option for you. So today we are going to be making turmeric oil, and also to add a twist to it, I'm going to be using lemon zest. So the ingredients we have lemon zest, we have fresh turmeric, then also a carrier oil. The carrier oil we are going to be using is olive oil. So just follow the process. It's a very interesting one. The first step is to peel the skin of the turmeric. It's not compulsory, but I feel it's very essential since it's going to be for the skin. Just have to peel it off because that skin contains a lot of germs. I know some people may say it has nutrients, but it has so much germs, and to be on the safe side, not to have skin irritation, I have to peel it off. So first step, peel off your turmeric skin. After peeling off the skin, I went ahead to rinse. Please rinse your turmeric very well, and the bowls you'll be using, ensure that they are really clean. If you noticed, I used stainless bowl throughout the process. It's because of the coloration in turmeric. Turmeric stains everything it touches, even your hands. So you don't want to make the mistake of using plastic bowls or plastic containers, because that container will never recover from the stain. So as I was using stainless bowls, then I think later in the video I used ceramic, and I saw that it was able to remove, so it was not staining it. But please don't use plastic bowl, because even for my hands it took 2 days for the turmeric coloration to leave. So for the plastic bowl, it's just going to be gone forever. The stain will be there. So ensure to use stainless bowls or ceramic bowls. I tried using my hands to grate the turmeric, but it was not working, so I had to bring this local mortar and pestle, and luckily it was working. I didn't want to use my blender so that it was not going to stain it, so I had to use the local mortar and pestle, and it worked. So that brings us to the next step. Grate your turmeric. You can grind it, you can pound it, just make sure that you break it into smaller pieces. After pounding the turmeric, the next step is to peel off the lemon zest. You can choose to grate it, but I peeled it off in my case. Ensure that you take the outermost layer, like very thinly. That's why grating is preferable, but you can also use the knife as well. Lemon zest is also very essential, very beneficial to the skin. So it also helps to brighten, it helps to clear off hyperpigmentation. But you want to ensure that you don't overload your oil with too much lemon zest, because lemon can be harsh. So just little goes a long way than too much. So less is more. For lemon, ensure that you use little. The next step is to extract the turmeric oil. For this process, I'll be using direct heat method. I just found out that direct heat method helps to preserve the oil for a longer time. So while using direct heat method, your oil tends to last longer than other methods. I've tried several other methods, but this particular one, this direct heat, it always gives me a longer shelf life. So I just went ahead to pour the olive oil in the pot. You can see me with 2 bottles. They are same olive oil. I just had leftover, so I had to use it. Then after pouring the olive oil, I went ahead to pour in the mashed turmeric and peeled lemon. Then I went ahead to the heat, and so just all stir. Ensure that it doesn't burn. Use very low heat, guys, because your oil should not be smoking out. Very low heat. This formation of foam is totally normal. It just shows that there is presence of water in the oil. The turmeric was fresh, so it's normal. Then after heating the oil for 10 minutes, on low heat. I brought it down and left it to cool. After cooling for like 30 minutes, I went ahead to sieve it. Ensure that you use a very fine sieve. You can use chiffon cloth. After sieving the oil from the chaff, I went ahead to transfer into a dropper bottle. You can use any bottle of choice. I just transferred it to this bottle and I kept the remaining oil in a bigger bottle. Okay guys, so if you've watched to this point, thank you so much for watching my video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, do well to like this video, and also share your thoughts about the video in the comment section. If you would like to see something like this, do well to stick with the channel. So bye for now guys, stay happy, stay positive, and stay blessed.